Good morning, plumbers. Good morning, YouTube. As you know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly, all while training my two sons the trade. It's going to be a long journey, but well worth it, because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. And for today's adventure, we have a water fountain. We have an old water fountain that's coming out and a new one going in. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Follow this journey as I train my two sons. We will see you inside. This bad boy's coming out of here, and this baby's going in. First thing we're gonna do is, the power's disconnected already. My glovies. Looks like we had a small leak here. Huh? The trap's not even connected here. Oh yeah. Alright. Let's shut the water off.
I guess I'm not sneaking up on you.
I heard you coming a mile away. That is good news. Here we go, Daddy. That went too easy. The drain's already disconnected. This joker should lift right off the wall, right?
There's some screws on the bottom, hold it to the wall.
Nope. Somebody was lazy. Let's see what happens there.
That's the same bracket, dude.
Same bracket? Oh, very good.
Looks like it. Do you have the box for this one still?
The bracket's already on the back.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yeah.
That should be the same bracket.
I think it is. It looks like it.
Well, yeah, it does. Yep. It's the same bracket.
Awesome.
Just like
Electric's in the way.
Yeah.
All right.
Everyone.
That's good news. So
Yes,
we ain't
it
got to
is.
move it, or they ain't got much work to do. Plus, they can just pop this. Little loose. Oh, look at that. This is my first water fountain. There's always a first in plumbing, right? Look at this joker right here. Bang. Oh, boop. Oh, yummy. How's that? This is fun. Now the electric. I guess we gotta. Here, I got it level.
Well, where do you want this thing to sit at?
I say the same place.
It would be right about there. Drop it down a little bit. Back in there, they're enticed.
At least we got some backing in there, huh? Awesome. Sure, I got something to try. Get it done.
I'm surprised, right? They can do a filter on this thing, you know what I'm saying?
And none of them do it anymore.
Let's see what happens here.
Oh, look at that.
Great spot.
There you go.
Well, you know what's going to happen, look. They're going to have to raise the electric too,
Oh, yeah.
you know?
Unless we drop the water cooler down. But you can't really do that.
It's too low.
It's too low, yeah. Because it's got to be
For kids, right? Kids
for
too.
kids in ADA.
Oh, ADA, right?
34.
That's perfect.
Perfecto.
What is it to the top? 36, right?
34 to the top.
Oh, 34 to the top? Oh, you're good.
Yeah.
Perfect.
How's the drainage? Is that going to be? You
Yeah.
want to pull this down so you can do its thing, right?
Yeah, we only, if you got 3 furrow, we can just put that right in there. And just got to move this refrigeration line. That's it. Just push up a little bit.
Yeah, well, we should. We'll let him make the decision.
I mean, if he's going to put it in there, he's going to have to put it like right there.
We can draw,
Trace out the inside of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's not going to have much room to play.
Yeah.
hey, we'll make a big hole in the wall. That's what we do. We'll take the thing back off the wall.
Yeah.
And just tell them what we need. So where it's gotta be, right?
Yep.
Right here. Zoom. Zoom.
Hit my 5/8 wrench, Chucky. Little change of plans here. We're not waiting for the electrician. We've been given the blessing to go ahead and just hook it up. So that's what we're doing. Got it? Got it. I had it in my toolbox. Why would I have it there?
Yeah, like 4.916.
Well, that's one of the things I gotta do. I want to straighten out my stuff. And once I get a free minute, I'd like to do that. In my truck, I need we're gonna need an 1.5 by 1.25 washer that we use on the in the pedestals. Alright, so that's a simple fix right there. Done. This is the drain going into this choker here. So I gotta bend the Freon line a little bit to get it to work. Yeah. Don't tell me you need an extension. Oh, there it is.
Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna turn this on. Trap's hooked up.
I need that.
I already feel it packing up leaking. That's gonna be nice and tight.
Oh,
Yeah, I'll tighten that up. This old valve in here, so I gotta hit it with the old basin wrench because I can't get nothing in there. Oh, okay. All right. Here we go, Charles. Ah, it's filling up the reservoir. Okay. Oh, this has all kinds of buttons, of course. Okay, left, right. Huh. Come on. Well, watch your hand. There's a fan in here, dude.
Yeah,
Right here. Right here. Watch your
Yeah, that's
fingers.
all.
Okay. Alright. Now I'm testing the drain. This is my first water fountain, CB. Yes.
Says mine too.
This is my first water fountain. So I know this is your first. We're looking good.
You want to that raising knife right there?
Alright, everything's working, CB. The drain is not leaking, the water's good. Anyway, Philip's back.
Good.
Sorry about that.
Are you going to record it before you lose it?
I wouldn't lose it, CB. What's CB got to say for himself today? Huh?
Oh, dead and alive.
Of what? CB?
Yeah.
I don't know if that's good, CB. Tell everybody about your trip, CB. Huh? Here's my 1/4-inch nut driver. I do need that.
To the bottom.
Yes, sir.
Where does it go to?
Right here on these 2 screws right here. See, I didn't take the door
Yeah,
off.
but there's no hole.
It's a slot right here.
Oh.
I need a 1/4-inch driver.
Bed or driver?
I'll take the driver. Thank you, sir.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, it slides on. See what I'm doing up there? Oh, there we go. Okay, we're good there?
Yeah.
This goes here. They couldn't wait for the sheetrock or the spackle to be fixed. It's not the way I would have did the water fountain. I would have spackled the wall. The electrician told me to go ahead and put the dishwasher. He went ahead and said, just hang it, hook it up. I'm going to run the wire inside. Like a good plumber, I finished the water fountain. With that, we will see you at the next one.